Hi guys, today I will be unpacking and testing this Foxwell OBD2 code reader. So the model is NT301. Okay, purchased this one from Amazon, and also there was a promotion when I purchased this one. It came with the free extension cable. So I'll open this now. Have a look. Yeah. So this is the device. So I will try this on with the car so we can see the menus. Also, what can you see here? So inside the packaging there is like a manual instruction how to use it. So I will read through this and I will plug into my car, then I'll show you. Okay, welcome back. Anyway, I forgot to mention that this device came with the USB cable. So this is a possible to connect to a computer, so you can update the firmware or the software of this one here. Right, I'll come back. Okay, I just connected the Foxwell scanner to my car. This is connected underneath this part with the steering wheel, and you can see it is showing display already. And try to turn on the engine, then press enter. So it's now connecting. So see there's a check, then already system status, ML status off, code 0. So right now there's no code, so just set erase here, no. Modules 1 of 2. So just try to and try to enter here. You can see read codes, erase codes. So try to read codes, store codes. No codes are stored in the module, means no problem at the moment. So let's see if there's any pending code. So no pending codes, that means the car is in good shape right now. Okay, so that's for now, because I don't have any issue at the moment on this one. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.